Dragon Boat Racing of San Francisco Bay Area Dragon was held today in Foster City in California, USA. What a windy day today, so it's making so much noise in my recording. Look at all the team participants in Dragon Racing. They're having their lunch break right now. So I don't know how many teams though. Hey, look at the little dragon dancing. Is that a dragon or a lion? I'm not sure which one. It looks more like a lion to me. I don't know. Anyway, it's lunchtime, but there's no food being sold there, so I had to go across the street to the store to buy food. And on the way, I saw these people playing with little, like toys, sailing. There goes my food there. It's rice and noodle and kung pao chicken. After lunch, I'm still waiting and watching the boat. Look at how beautiful the color of the water is. So blue. And the boat with the people on it being chased by the racing committee because they're not supposed to be in that racing area. Ah. Okay, the teams are ready now to get ready for the racing. So much preparation being done. This team going to the starting line. Whew, it's so windy.
Thank you.
Oh, watch out for the dragon boat is coming. Preparing the boat for the team. Teams are getting ready to be in the starting line now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Come on, guys! Come on! Come on! Be number 1! Okay, the next teams are getting ready now, doing some exercise. And walking to their boat. One by one is being called to sit in their position. Okay, now they're waiting for their captain to order them to go. I don't know what's that announcement about. Yay! Team, go! Oh, look, the captain looks cute in her hat.
I want to make sure you're ready. Hips on the edge of both. Outside foot forward. I want to see if you're ready. Paddle up. 5 strokes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let run.
Okay, now the next team's turn to go. Come on, guys. Go, 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 go. There's so much training and preparation to do, and for the racing, for a little time of racing. And all other preparation and training takes so long. Yay, guys, looking good. What a team! Synchronized in everything. So much time spent on the preparation there. Make sure they're on the starting line, the same line to start. Come on, guys. Let's do this together. Come on, come on. You can do it, guys. Come on. Uh-oh, they're passing the starting line. That little yellow ball is the starting line, so they have to go backward now. One, two, three, go! Yay! Come What a great teamwork! Now they're back. They have to return the boat to the dock. I don't know who won though. I couldn't hear it. This is where the finish line is. Now I'm taking my video from the finish line. Look at them, they're coming so fast. Yay, they did it! Going back to the dock for the next team, but my day is done. I see you again, guys, next year. Good job! Great teamwork!